Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I wanted to give you another tip on what you can do to prevent pests from making their way inside your home, what you can do in the exterior of your home in order to prevent them from coming inside. And that's to pay attention to your windows and your door frames. Any entryways into your house. These are all perfect places for pests to make their way inside your home. Windows, you may not even notice this unless you look really closely, but window frames and door frames have these small gaps and holes and cracks and crevices all the way around that are the perfect place for small insects like ants and spiders and whatnot to make their way inside. So you want to make sure that you continuously treat these areas in order to prevent pests from making their way in. We use a product called Defense on our program. It has a 2-month residual. That's why we come out every other month on our program. And it's real easy to use. It's a very light application around the window frame, a very light application around your door frame, your garage door as well. You want to hit that. This is all in the exterior of the home, and if you do that, you're going to have 2 months of protection from insects entering those cracks, those crevices, and then making their way inside your home. So it's a great product, and that's a great step you can take in order to keep those bugs out. So hope that helps. If you have any questions or you want an estimate from us to do that for you, just comment below or shoot us a message or give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.